When you do an acting workshop, then what happens is that the actors know the history of the character. You know, they don't come onto the floor and meet the other characters as characters for the first time. So they seem to know each other's history, they're familiar with each other and familiar with each other's bodies. That's a very, very important factor. So Shohag Sen was there. She was also observing my acting and she was being quite critical.
After seeing the entire film, I feel that when she the spastic that woman, she was singing in the floor.
The schizophrenic woman.
Yeah. She was singing.
She's not a spastic though.
Oh yeah. She was singing a song in the last part of the film before I found that particular song. And in fact, after that, you have extended the film that she had gone like that main actress. Apart from the mother.
You are saying that when she announces that she's going to get divorced, then I break down, and then my daughter, the schizophrenic daughter.
Yeah, there was one sequence that the Shraddha was on.
Yeah, and she's still singing.
She's still singing. Do you think that was a ideal area to finish the film?
No.
Why?
No, because the film also celebrates life. So it's important that you have Paramita's, the news of Paramita's unborn son, unborn child, that the new arrival, because while there is death, there is also life.
What's your expectation in the international market?
I don't know. I didn't make the film with any particular market in mind, but everyone seems to be liking it, and well, one hopes that the producer will get his money back.
What is your next project?
I haven't decided, but there is a dream project for which I would like to appeal for funds, and this is as good a platform as any. I want to make a film with an international cast in English called Sitayan, the story of Sita. From the time that Sita is banished for the second time while she's pregnant till the time that she goes into the earth, because she's at the confluence of the Copper Age and the Iron Age, which is a long, long time ago, prehistory. She is in a startlingly contemporary predicament where she's practically a divorcee and a single mother. So this is what I want to do.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.